Welcome to this video introducing Micro Focus's latest offerings for COSO reporting and problem isolation. The Micro Focus Collect Once, Store Once data lake provides a single platform for unified data collection, storage, and analysis across all operational domains. Operations Bridge now leverages COSO to provide a consolidated view into real-time and historical cross-domain data, allowing IT operations teams a holistic view of their entire IT environment and the ability to quickly locate problem hotspots. In this demo, we will look at 3 methods of reporting and problem isolation now possible with COSO. Cross-domain reporting via Business Value Dashboard, the ability to create quick custom reports using a customer's preferred business intelligence tool, and the quick isolation of problems in OBM Performance Dashboard. We begin with our new out-of-box reporting via Business Value Dashboard, illustrating our unique capability to provide a single dashboard view of cross-domain monitoring spanning systems, applications, and networks, leveraging a single COSO instance, all powered by the Vertica Data Store. Here we see the infrastructure executive summary showing our industry-first ability to display system availability and performance, application performance, and network availability and performance data for a 30-day period, all in a single dashboard. For the first time, operations teams can now ingest a variety of data sources such as operations agent, site scope, BPM, and NOM data from a single Vertica data store. The user can drill down into any one area, system availability in this example, to understand the top trends or concerns. Perhaps we notice a higher than normal downtime for a specific node. We can click on that node and drill down into the details to get a better understanding of when downtime issues occurred on that particular node. Returning to the infrastructure executive summary, we may want to investigate a high CPU utilization. Choosing CPU utilization percentage, we drill down to the report Systems by CPU Utilization, which displays the top 5 and bottom 5 systems by CPU utilization. If we choose a particular system, we can drill down further to a System Resource Detail report, showing the historical trend of CPU and memory utilization. In addition, the report provides a forecast of these metrics for up to 90 days to improve the management of infrastructure capacity. For the first time, users will now be able to view both the historical trend and real-time data in a single view, thereby accelerating the customer's ability to troubleshoot performance issues across domains more efficiently than ever before. Returning once more to the infrastructure executive summary, the user can similarly drill down into network availability and performance reports to better understand and quickly troubleshoot how network problems may be affecting their business applications. Here is another example of a new out-of-box report from Network Operations Manager, showing how out-of-box reports can be refined by parameters such as the time period or a specific node. Using the newly enhanced reporting capabilities of Business Value Dashboard, customers can now create reports and dashboards for their own individual domains: system, application, network, or data center automation. Users can customize these reports to view data which spans across any or all of these domains, and they can create a mashup of both real-time and historical data on the same report. Perhaps the user would like to easily customize their view of their COSO data, plus include additional externally collected data, such as metrics from the customer's other IT or business sources. But they would prefer to use their own business intelligence tool. By exposing the COSO schema, we offer BYOBI, or Bring Your Own Business Intelligence, which enables the reporting user or BI expert to utilize their favorite BI tools such as Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, Click, etc., to create quick, customized ad hoc reports which can be single or multi-domain and combine their business data into a single report. Using BYOBI, a reporting user can go from a blank canvas to a nicely designed report in just a few minutes. Let's look at how quickly a new report can be created on top of COSO data. Starting in Tableau, we connect to the Open Schema COSO Vertica data lake and select the table and fields to include in our report. The COSO schema naming has been designed to be intuitive, so in most cases the user may not even need to consult the schema documentation. Also in this example, we see the user is able to quickly create custom metrics calculated from data in COSO to include in the finished graph. The user can choose from various ways to display the data, in this case a line graph. However, advanced BI users may choose to create specialty displays such as ribbon graphs, sunburst diagrams, or scatter and bubble graphs, just to name a few. Next, the user adds the basic constructs expected of a typical report, such as a time range filter and node selection filter. Then the user adds basic look and feel widgets such as labels, a description, the company logo, etc., and adjusts the report layout. Finally, let's see how we can add data from an external data source. In this example, we will add stock market transaction data to show it on the same report as our COSO data. In our example, we built this report using Tableau. However, customers may use the BI tool of their choice. Here's another example of a finished report created with Microsoft Power BI, showing different constructs and a completely different design displaying historical event data from COSO, as well as real-time data points and calculated metrics. We've just seen how operators or report admins can use their own BI tools, such as Tableau or Microsoft Power BI, to create customized or ad hoc views via direct access to their COSO data lake. Additionally, they can include externally collected data, such as metrics from other IT or business sources. And seasoned users can also create unique data views, such as ribbon graphs, starburst charts, etc., to display their data to suit their use cases. Using BYOBI, a reporting user can go from a blank canvas to a nicely designed report in just a few minutes. However, the value of COSO is not limited to reporting. COSO data can also be leveraged for operational troubleshooting by IT operators. OBM's performance dashboard can help the user troubleshoot and pinpoint root cause faster, thereby helping to reduce mean time to resolve. Let's look at an example. Here we see an application named Titan, which is one of several applications monitored by this Operations Bridge installation. It is comprised of app servers, databases, and end-user monitoring. A CPU bottleneck event is being reported with major severity on one of the Titan app servers. If we click the CPU bottleneck event, we can look at events correlated or related to this bottleneck event. We can also see in the performance indicator graph that there is a period of sustained high CPU, and there are additional CPU spikes at regular intervals. We can open the performance indicator graph in a separate window to get a better look. Now we can see the CPU, disk, and memory metrics for the past day. This data is read from COSO. Therefore, we can select any time frame to view historical data collected in COSO. We see regular spikes in CPU. However, there is one sustained spike at 1 a.m. on the 12th of October. And we can also see the corresponding spikes at the same time in disk I/O and memory utilization. Let's zoom in for a closer look at the time when the spike occurred. At this point, we could zoom in further to refine the time frame and click the Process Drill Down link to see which processes were running on the server at the time the spike occurred. Instead, let's look over a longer period of time to determine if there is a pattern. We can do this by setting the calendar parameters to view a few days' worth of data, in this case from October 11th to October 14th. Now we can clearly see that the sustained periods of CPU utilization, along with spikes in disk utilization and memory utilization, have occurred every day at the same time. Additionally, along the right panel, we offer expert tips to help the user troubleshoot the problem further. Lastly, the user can expand their troubleshooting by adding additional metrics to the graph from the COSO data lake. We choose the performance indicator for CPU, and then we can add it to the graph. You'll see this new metric appear on the graph in purple. We save the new view and return to the Performance Dashboard home view. We've just seen how IT operators can leverage historical data in COSO for operational troubleshooting in OBM's Performance Dashboard, which can help the user troubleshoot and pinpoint root cause faster, thereby helping reduce mean time to resolve. In this video, we've shown how COSO brings flexible data options to our customers via reduced total cost of ownership and improved collaboration. Out-of-box reports provide a centralized view of our cross-domain data through system, application, network, and data center. Further, COSO enables IT operators to communicate the value of their IT data to business stakeholders. Unlimited access to customized BVD reports allows users to illustrate IT data in terms business leaders can understand. Open access to the COSO data schema enables users to use their preferred BI tool to customize report design and pull in data from other business sources. And lastly, COSO offers improved operator experience and increased performance. It allows customers to drill down quickly to resolve problems in OBM Performance Dashboard, thus reducing the mean time to resolve.